This is Ice Cream Gecko, and in today's video we are going to take a look at some limited edition snacks from Ferrero. At first we have got on the left the Pingui Sachertorte limited edition, and then on the right we have the limited edition Milchschnitte, so the Pingui and the milk slice. I, as a kid, never really had these sort of things. In recent years I tried out most of these, and well, I have to say that I do like the Pingui every now and then, and the Maxi King, obviously, because that's my name. I have to say that I haven't been the biggest fan of the Milchschnitte, the milk slice, but Ferrero has got this thing of theirs where they make you crave everything, no matter you like it or not, in some way or another. So in the end, yeah, when there is a Milchschnitte around, it's quickly gone, usually. I bought these on sale, these multi-packs, for €1.39 each, and we are going to take a very close look at them together today. Let's go for the Pingui Sachertorte, the famous chocolate cake, first. Let's see how we open this up. Here, maybe. Oh yes, perfect. Oh, maybe not. Okay, I got there. Yeah, I got there. This is what it looks like close up. Let's take a look at the back of it. Ferrero Company. Pause if we want to take a look at the ingredients list right there. Do we have the nutrition? Yes, we do have the nutrition table. It is right here. Now you can read it. Pause if you want to take a look at that. And yeah, let's open up this thing. It has got its signature look. It doesn't have the beautiful shape that it does on the package. It's a lot sharper, and the chocolate seems to be a bit thinner. It doesn't really cover all of the edges and corners as it should, to look just like it does on the package. If we break it apart like this, it looks like this. We have got this sort of milk foamy stuff there. Some sort of loose, very airy, soft chocolate wafer. What is it supposed to have here? So we have the Schokoschnitte, chocolate slice with milk cream, cocoa flavor, and an apricot fruit preparation. Yeah, okay. Let's see what it tastes of. I don't really remember having Sachertorte, but you definitely feel the chocolate flavor. You've got these sort of foamy biscuity bits right down there. Then you have got the apricot filling. I'm never the biggest fan of having something fruity like apricot mixed into chocolate cocoa stuff. It's usually not my kind of thing. I don't even know if it is supposed to be like that with the original Sachertorte. I don't even know if I had Sachertorte ever. But this one here really feels like what they described on the back of it. Comes quite close to it. You do feel the chocolate, the foamy milk cream stuff. And I guess, yeah, the apricot gem sort of filling that we have here in this nutritionally questionable benefit supplying snack. It's okay, it's chocolatey, but I have to say the regular Pingui is better. Nope, I stick to it. I don't like the apricot stuff in the middle of it. Not for me. If you have had this before, let me know what you think about it. Are you into that sort of stuff? Is this good for you? If you're into that sort of stuff. It's not good for you, that's for sure, but you know what I mean. Let's take a look at the Milchschnitte, the milk slice, with the strawberry puree concentrate. Pause if you want to take a look at the nutrition table right here, and the ingredients list right here. Whoa, I think we had everything in focus up until now. 28 grams without added colorings and preservatives. I think that's what it is. I hope I don't say condom in a different word. This is what this looks like. This looks not great. It always reminds me of these thin, as a kid, disgusting slices of bread with very thick cream cheese in the middle of it. I always hated these sort of breads. No, don't like them to this day, to be honest. Looks wise, this does look a lot worse. Consistency of the actual sandwich stuff, the sandwich bread, what it is supposed to resemble maybe, is not that great. Looks wise it's okay, I guess, but I feel like it used to be darker. This one here seems quite a bit lighter in color. And the strawberry stuff here, maybe it's more natural when it isn't as bright red as you would expect it to be with something like this, because here it looks more like a richer, prettier violet red than it does here. Okay, let's go for the scent test. Oh, it smells of strawberry. Yeah, it does very much smell like a strawberry cream cake. It smells lovely. Let's see what it tastes of. Flavor-wise, you do really feel the emphasis on this milk cream. But the strawberry aspect here, fruitiness-wise, fits the whole thing a lot better than the apricot stuff does here on the Kinder Pingui. I can go for another one of this, just to make sure that it's okay. No, looks-wise it's not great, but flavor-wise it's not too bad. The milk cream slice with the strawberry fruit preparation. It is quite pleasant to eat because this sort of sandwich bread itself disintegrates under any sort of pressure from your front teeth. And nothing squeezes out too much on the side, so you can have this in a car no problem while driving as well. Nothing's going to go into the perforated leather seat. I wish I had this sort of problem, you know. No, but this is okay. Yeah. I'm not getting out the review sheet for this, because it's 2 items, and my mind cannot comprehend this anyway. But I have to say that the milk slice, the Milchschnitte Erdbeere, yeah, that's a 7 out of 10 for me. I like it. If it's on sale, maybe I would buy it again. For $1.39, I think this is actually not too bad. But the Kinder Pingui Sachertorte, I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of it. Maybe I should give it another go, just to be fair towards it, not to give an unfair advantage to the Milchschnitte. No, but I have to stick to it. The regular Pingui is nice, but I'm not a big fan of the apricot filling that we have here. I would give this one... I see what they wanted to do. Color-wise, they didn't really hit it spot on. I will give this 5.5 out of 10. Yeah. I'm interested though what you think about this. If you like that sort of stuff, I try to not have my own flavor, you know, dig into the rating too much. But I think overall, as a product, this is it's not as good as the regular Kinder Pingui. So overall, much more than a 6. I would imagine anyone to give this. To be honest, it's not fantastic. And it doesn't look fantastic either. So yeah, 5.5 for the Kinder Pingui Sachertorte from me. And I think this is where I'm going to end this particular video. If you've got a question or a video suggestion, feel free to leave it down in the comment section below. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, feel free to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I'm going to see you soon. Until then.